now facing a dire threat to our fragile ecosystems. The fine balance is now tipped. Imagine a world without engineers. The future now needs pressing solutions. Innovations in engineering play an important role in the way we live, improving even the everyday life.
When I was young, I was very close to nature, and that was why I chose civil and environmental engineering. I have a keen interest to protect and improve the environment.
Engineers contribute to many fields, such as information and media, computer engineering and computer science, aerospace, biomedical, as well as environmental engineering. The outlook for engineering is therefore promising and fulfilling. Your future, it could start right here at Nanyang Engineering, one of the world's largest engineering colleges. Now, let's check out what's innovating at the 6 different schools at the college. School of Materials Science and Engineering.
Hi, welcome to my school. Come with me now to the labs. So in materials science and engineering, we not only deal with natural and synthetic materials, we also learn on how to apply the knowledge to develop new materials and products and improvise on existing ones.
School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
It's quite cool to be one of the rare few in this new aerospace engineering program. We get to learn about cool subjects such as aerodynamics, aircraft propulsion, and design. I have an interest in astronomy and had big dreams of working at NASA. Thus, the aerospace engineering program was a stepping stone in that direction. We had industry mentors from ST Aerospace and SIA Engineering, and this was helpful because we got to know more about the industry before internship started.
School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering.
Step with me into the Semiconductor Characterization Lab, the electronic part of the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Now, let's check out what's happening at the electrical side of the school. I decided to choose engineering because I believe that it is important for one to have good analytical and problem-solving skills, which will benefit you in your professional and daily life. Engineers are now doing very well in the society. I believe for those people who can tackle and solve a problem well will definitely have an upper hand.
School of Civil and Environmental Engineering.
I find civil engineering to be interesting, although it's quite a challenging program. But because I love math since primary school, this major capitalizes on my strength in math and physics. This is one of the tests carried out in civil engineering in NTU. This test is called column testing and is to ensure the safety of the buildings.
School of Chemical and Biomedical Engineering.
Chemical engineers and bioengineers have made a lot of contributions to society, which has improved the quality of life. I always believe that different people have different talents, and we should discover our talents fast so that we can develop it to our fullest potential.
School of Computer Engineering.
I did my internship at a bank as a risk analyst, and when I was there, I had the chance to apply my computer engineering skills which I learned in NTU. With an education in computer engineering, I can work in the areas of IT, gaming and animations, project management, consultancy, and even the areas of banking and finance. I find that the skills which I learned in NTU is actually very relevant in many industries.
Our undergraduate programs are designed specially to groom the brightest talents in engineering. Broad-based and flexible, it's a personalized education bursting with entrepreneurship, industrial, and global opportunities.
I'm currently in one of the most popular courses in NTU. It's called Information Engineering and Media. I enjoy the arts. In fact, I'm now learning many new things in the IEM program, such as sketching, creative writing, as well as the more technical stuff such as computer science.
In the CN Young Scholars Program, we are put on a different path from the mainstream students. This is because we are placed through a different perspective in terms of a deeper understanding on science and engineering.
During the second year of my program, I was given the valuable opportunity to participate in Eureka, which stands for Undergraduate Research Experience on Campus. I was under the mentorship of a very experienced professor, where I was allowed to handle expensive cutting-edge equipment. I learned to work more independently and stay motivated when times get challenging.
Students love hanging out on campus. A green and vibrant environment that's conducive. Plus, it's equipped with world-class facilities. We believe learning is without boundaries. Students get in touch with themselves as well as the global community.
I spent a semester in the US where I did my internship with a hydraulics company. It was really fun for me because I got to experience for myself firsthand how the Americans work, and they are basically very flexible and relaxed, but at the same time very driven.
Our undergraduates are the engineers and leaders of today and tomorrow, diverse in worldview and experience, and always in touch with the needs and challenges of the world.
I've always been interested in computers ever since a very young age. It is an honor for me to represent NTU and win the IT Youth Award given to me by Singapore Computer Society.
Choosing engineering as a career has never been more exciting and fulfilling.
Analytical skills are crucial in any organization, and engineers are sought after by many industries because their creativity allows them to turn any problem into an innovation. Many engineers also become successful technopreneurs when they transform their innovation into market success.
My interest is in project management and I love working outdoors. My current job at Sembawang Shipyard is exactly what I love to do. Engineering has taught me to analyze all options before arriving at a conclusion. It has also taught me to be creative and think out of the box. After all, engineering is creating something out of nothing. After graduating from NTU, I entered the internet industry. My training in engineering gave me the ability to cope with this information. Engineers are the main producers of products and services in this economy. With the technical training, engineers can make better decisions in managing these products and services.
Innovations in engineering create positive global impact, and there's no better time like now. You can be the difference. Engineering lets you be you, and Nanyang Engineering can be your premium choice for a promising tomorrow.